Perfecting the presentation. Welcome to this Administrative Assistant training video focused on perfecting the presentation. This video covers how to use presentations, reviewing presentations for grammar and consistency, presentation programs, practice tips and techniques, and printing presentations. As an administrative assistant, a common task and work requirement will be to help prepare, review, or even create presentations. So let's get started. Why use presentations? Using presentations, you can demonstrate your knowledge in a subject area by making the presentation, and thus share your knowledge with the audience, and it can be something that you can help them with. Your boss might ask you to make a presentation to your coworkers about a new program at your company, for example. How best can you tackle this assignment? You could begin by looking closely at your audience and asking, what do they need to know? This will help keep your presentation interesting and relevant. If this is a formal presentation, this is usually a planned event where one or more people will speak. These speakers often use visual aids such as PowerPoint slides. These aids can help the audience better understand the topic and what they need to know. If you fear public speaking, you are not alone. Here are some tips to help you get through your fear. 1. Be prepared. 2. Be confident. And 3. Be relaxed. Often members of an audience want to see you succeed and are happy that this time they don't have to do the talking. If you prepare adequately, this can help you relax and think about how you might be helping the audience. This takes the pressure off of you and focuses on them. Reviewing presentations for grammar and consistency. For the spoken part of your presentation, if you type it out, you can run a grammar check. This will help you feel more confident about the grammar that you will be using. For visual aids such as slides, make sure to run both a spell check and a grammar check. Here are some more tips for the slides that you have to support your presentation. 1. Use consistency in headers, lists, and terminology. 2. Keep the slides simple and uncluttered. 3. Keep it to 5 words or less per line. 4. Keep it to 7 lines or less per slide. 5. Use sans serif for body text and Arial being a good choice for text. 6. Avoid all uppercase for body text. 7. Do not overuse animation and sound effects. Presentation programs. A presentation program is a package you use to prepare the slides for a presentation. It lets you insert text into a slide, insert graphics into a slide, and to present a slideshow. PowerPoint is typically used to prepare the slides for a presentation. Keynote is a presentation software that is available to Mac and iPad users. Prezi has a following among those who want a web-based presentation program. There are many that you can use, but here are just a couple more examples and suggestions. If you are new to using PowerPoint, this overview is how to use PowerPoint to create a presentation. 1. Click Create and choose a theme and template that includes matching colors and fonts, and this will first come up when you open PowerPoint. 2. From the Home tab, click New Slide and pick a slide layout. 3. From the File tab, click Save. 4. Browse to a folder. 5. In the name box, give the file a name and click Save. 6. Add text by clicking a text placeholder and start typing. 7. Add pictures after you click Insert. Choose online pictures or work from a drive. 8. Click Save. This is the most basic introduction to using PowerPoint. You can do many different things such as formatting text, adding a video, including speaker notes, among other things. The most important part is to remember who your audience is and to craft your presentation towards them. Don't go for something fancy, go for something focused to deliver the content and provide the message and the teaching that you are working on. Practice tips and techniques. Practice makes perfect. This statement applies when it comes to presentations. The more you practice, the better. As you practice, here are some tips. 1. Time yourself to make sure your presentation fits what your audience expects and the time that is allowed. 2. Videotape yourself and watch with an idea of how to improve the next time you practice. 3. Avoid saying words and phrases such as and Again, practice makes perfect here. 4. Consider how best to handle body language, voice quality, gestures, and other nonverbal elements of your presentation. Concentrate as much as possible on helping the audience to understand and to remember key points. The presentation should be about what the audience needs first and foremost. Printing presentations. A program such as PowerPoint lets you prepare handouts for your slides. Here are some options to consider when printing your slides. 1. Print several slides to a page with space for the audience to write notes next to each slide. 2. Add background material or additional reading lists is helpful. 3. Distribute handouts after a presentation if you are concerned that the audience will not pay attention to the actual presentation before them. You can help an audience reinforce the ideas in your presentation if you provide a handout that goes along with the presentation. In summary, this administrative assistant and executive assistant training video, we cover topics such as how to use presentations, reviewing presentations for grammar and consistency, presentation programs, practice tips and techniques, and printing presentations. We hope that you found the information presented of value and wish you good luck as you prepare to deliver your own presentations as administrative assistant and throughout your career. Thank you once again.